Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to replace laser unit in HP M1005 MFP all-in-one printer. Printer, scanner, copier. Printer, scanner, copier. Before that, please like my video, subscribe my video, and share my video to your friends. If you subscribe, you will get early updates of my videos. Right? We will proceed. Right? So, in this printer, what is the problem? Why I am going to replace a scanner unit, that is laser unit. See, when switch on this printer, you are getting the message initialization. Getting the message initialization. Keep on rotating, no stop. This indicates there is an issue in scanner unit, that is laser unit. So that I am going to replace the laser unit. I am going to replace the laser unit. So that I bought a new laser unit. This is the laser unit. This cost comes around 1,000 rupees. So I am going to replace this. Right? Before that, I will explain a little bit about this printer. This is formatter board. This is laser unit. Right? This is power board. This is back side of the printer, which is having most valuable sensors. Right? So, here I am going to explain to you how to replace scanner unit. Okay? So, before that, there is one cover. There is one cover. This cover will be like this. Yeah, will be like this. Here, see here, there will be one small pin. Using this minus, simply you have to press, then it will come up. Then you remove this, right? After removing, that little bit difficult to remove. Exactly, you have to find the lock. Here one lock, here one lock. Just you have to press. If you press, it will get jump. Then you can remove this, right? Okay. So first, after removing this, you have to remove this ribbon cable. Very important. You have to remove the cable very carefully. Before this, you remove this power. See, just keep your one finger in this back assembly. Then slowly you have to remove this. Then you keep your finger like this. Then remove the cable gently and patiently. Then make it like this. This is very important. Then bring back the cable. That is very important. Don't handle roughly. Then remove this cable. Here one screw will be available. So you have to remove the screw, right? Then lift, take out this. Then there is one power cable. Then remove this power cable, which is, yeah, and you remove this data cable also. Sorry. You remove this data cable also. This is very important. Yeah. So all cables are highly sensitive. You have to handle very patiently. Yeah. Then keep this unit like this. Then there will be 4 screws in this laser unit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll show one second. See here. Very carefully maintain. See 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 screws you have to remove. Right. So after removing this, take out the scanner unit. That's all. This is the old scanner unit. This is the old scanner unit. I am going to replace by new scanner unit. I am going to replace by new scanner unit. Very simple. Take this scanner unit and take out. Maintain carefully this open side, which has to face the cartridge side. Right? See here. I am going to keep like this. Maintain very carefully. Yeah. See, if you keep like this, yeah, one position, it will get locked. So after getting locked, we have to place the screw. Place the screw. The screw will be little bit length. I'll show the screw. 1, 2, 3. Screw is missing. Okay. The screw will be like this length, like this size, right? After removing, you have to maintain all the screws carefully. Take this screw, place here, and the lock. Yeah. So diagonally, you have to place the screw. Diagonally, you have to place the screw. Diagonally, you have to place the screw. Then you tight the screw. Okay, right? Then take this power cable and place it to scanner unit. You have to do very carefully. Yeah. So place this cable. You have to do this job very patiently. Yeah, right? Okay. Then take this cable. Yeah. Now yeah. Then you place this cable properly. Right? That's all. Placed properly, right? So I have to connect this cable and before this I am going to connect this cable. This is very careful. Yeah, I have connected the cable properly. Then here I am going to fix one screw. That's all. I have placed the screw. So after that, I have to test. Then only I have to confirm. After that I have to test. Then only confirm whether it is working or not. Yeah. So now we are going to check. We are going to connect with our service unit under power. Then I am going to check, and then I am going to check. So now I am going to connect this unit into power cable to check whether it is working properly or not. So I am going to connect the power cable. I am going to connect the power cable. See? Yeah, connected the power cable, right? Okay, now I am going to switch on. I am going to switch on. After switched on, we have to keep the screwdriver here like this. Then only it will get rotate. Yeah, getting rotate. One fine moment it has to get stopped. Yeah, good. So this initialization problem got solved. Initialization problem got solved because if I press this unit, right? If I press unit, if started to get rotate, it will rotate, keep on rotating. It won't get stopped. Now it got stopped. That shows only there is a problem in laser unit. We have replaced the laser unit just before only, right? Now the problem got rectified. So we have to fix the printer. We have to fix the printer. Now I am going to fix the printer. Finally, I am going to show the output also. I am going to show the output also, right? We will see next few seconds, right? Yeah. So we replaced the laser unit, which is working, I shown. So now we are going to close the printer. We are going to close the printer. How I am going to close? The same way you have to open the printer. Same way you have to open the printer. First I am going to close this front door. Yeah, this is the front door. This is the front door. I am going to keep first top. Right? Then come down. Do it patiently. Right? I will try this scanner unit. Then I will come for this. Right? This is the scanner unit. Okay. Lock this. Very simple to lock this. Just lift up. Yeah, which is correct. Right? See? Now? Yeah. So? Okay. Yeah. Take this. This is for, that is cartridge. So, that's all. Okay. Make the screw. Make the screw. Yeah. So one thing I forgot. I have to remove this. How to place the scanner cover? This is the scanner cover. That's all. Yeah. Yeah. Now we can place the camera. Right? I'm going to place the spoon. Right. Now I am going to close the front cover. finished. And I am going to place this and place 2 screws over here. Then place this. Just keep and lock. Then place this also. Finished. So make a screw. That's all. 2 more screws we have to place. That's all. Okay. This is the way to solve the initializing problem. Here we did solve 2 problems. Initializing problem or replace the scanner unit. If you are getting the dull output also, you have to replace the scanner unit. So initializing error if you get, you have to replace the scanner unit. That is laser unit. Okay. This is the way to replace the laser unit or scanner unit. So please like my video, subscribe my channel, because every day I am releasing new problem with the solutions regarding printer service, laptop service, desktop service. Also I released more videos regarding cartridge refilling, laser, ink cartridges, like black and color cartridges, and Every day I am releasing more videos, so that to get immediate updates, please subscribe my channel. Share this channel to your friends and relatives and neighbors. Let them share to their friends and relatives, neighbor. Let it go by chain. And if you have any new problem, please specify in comment. Seeing that problem, I can release a new video that may be helpful to you. Please, thanking you. We'll see in the next issue with the solution. Have a nice day. Welcome.